Alright, we're going to take a bit of an opportunity to do another video of this while I'm up in Leeds. Got some goes on, it's 20p play, it's a £4.80 jackpot. And I managed to turn the volume up this time. So this is Scorpion 1, Bellfruits Cash Explosion. Machine's coming to me in a couple of weeks time for babysitting for a while. But you can't miss an opportunity to have a go in it. I've just picked up the duty free, that's coming back with me. I'll probably be back home by the time this uploads. Like a free go in it. Yeah, this is on a 480 ROM, 20p plate. There is the £4 ROM with it, or 10p play, the original kind of game if you like. Oh, we're getting. What's up there? Quite tuneful, isn't it? I know this is a big favourite with some of you folks out there, and me too, so I'm glad to be having this come to my house for a bit. You can't beat a bit of 90p on the edges, Island 2, 1, oh. I'll tell you the number one. Bit of music. I don't know where the most is, up or down. Ah, we'll go up. I wondered where the bonus would go. Isn't this a good machine? Got a bit of a good mood there. Just start putting them back in the pot. I remember our pub had one of these. Oh, I was going to go all the way then. £6 in. So look at the stop. Nice with a bit of volume in it. Like I say, those who watch regularly, this machine is coming to Steve's Fruit is in 2 weeks' time. Not for me to keep, it's for me to look after, but it'll probably be at mine for a good while. Always got space for one of these, even if I haven't got space. And fully working, Scorpion 1. With their new style fruits at that time. Very late 80s, I guess. Ooh. If anyone's got a 480 glass kicking around, bottom glass, gotta say though, the gamble's quite generous, which is nice. But then it is 20p a play. I sometimes forget things like that. So what's the nearest win? Oh, we got 12 anyway, we've got to go that way, mate. Stop and match higher. Can we get to the top? 40p for nudges. Are we pushing it? Yeah, I did think we might be pushing it. Ooh. Absolutely nutty as a fruitcake, ain't it, this thing? Ooh, 3 nudges at stake. Doo-doo. No cigar, boy. You folks don't mind seeing this again, do you? So I did do a couple of videos of it last time I was here. Oh, nearly swing. Ooh, lower. Lower. Oh, I want to get them nudges. Higher. Go on, where are we? Ooh, 240. One more nudge. Oh, you pig. It's 240 on the nudges. Right, we'll go for it lower. Respin. Oh, you wouldn't expect that, would you, really? 40p. It's 3 nudges. Honko left it's got to its bank limit. We'll have a few more goes and then we'll call it a day, kind of thing. Oh, that's nice, isn't it, when you lose the gamble, at least you get the numbers in. You guaranteed the 3 of a kind then? Oh. Guaranteed the 3 of a kind. Which is quite nice. Right. When you're in Leeds, you've got to talk a bit like that, lad. Tell you what though, 20p a go, it soon eats it, doesn't it? Right. Oh. It's nearly full again. Right, I think that'll do. Oh. Well, there you go. That's absolutely amazing Bellfruits Cash Explosion, £4.80 jackpot, 20p play. So there you go. You've had a little bit of a treat to have another look at that. We'll be coming to mine in 2 weeks' time. Okay, right. I've got to leave Leeds now and go back to Yarmouth with the duty free. See you in a bit.